Alright, this is going to be a tutorial on how to add a media file and then link to it on your Lessons tab. So the first step is we have to upload our videos. I like to do it, our videos or audio files or media files. Let's go to Manage, and then the Course Files Manager. And then we'll do Add Content, create a folder. It's always good to keep your files. Call that Audio, click OK. So now we have a new folder. We click Add Content. And I like to use the drag and drop. That way I can add all the audio files that I have at once. It also works best with larger files. So we'll click drag and drop. It does use Java for this, and so you will need the most up-to-date version of Java for this function to work. So we'll let that load. And while that's coming up, I'm going to go find some music files or some audio files that we can bring in. So we're going to just go into music here, sample, and this will work. Okay, so once we have this pop-up, drag and drop files here, all I have to do is click drag and hold the file and drop it. And then say yes to the security certificate, and then we can watch it upload. So depending on the size of the file or whatever it should take, depending on the size, will take a little bit of time. We'll click done, and now our audio file is uploaded. So what we need to do now is go over to Lessons. And I already have a page here, but we'll go ahead and create a new one. Add Content, Page, and we'll say this is our audio presentation. Give it a subtitle if we want to, and then our next step is to insert that media. And to do that, we go to the Insert Media menu, which is this little guy triangle here next to the Google button or the G button, and we'll choose Media, and then click on Browse Server. And since we uploaded it to our course files, we'll go to the Course tab, click on Audio, and there's that MP3 file that we uploaded. Okay. Okay. We'll click Default Dimensions, click OK, and click Save. And so I'm using Firefox, and so it may not have the right plugin for that to play. So what I'm going to do real quick here is I have Internet Explorer open, and I'll go ahead and map to that class real quick here so that you guys can see that. Okay. We'll jump over to our practice course. Okay. So there is our audio presentation. We have music for this one, but this is what students will see. If you want, you might want to adjust the size so that the volume control will show up. So what we'll do is go to Settings, and then right click, it looks like I'm having some browser issues, and so we'll jump back over to Firefox for this part, and we'll right click Media Properties, and so instead of 240 we'll jump that up to 300. Click OK and save. Alright, and then we'll jump back over to Internet Explorer, cancel that, and now we have the full player here with the volume control and the stop play One of the things I want to show you too from Firefox or Chrome tends to do better with the HTML editor is under right-click Media Properties. Under the Advanced, if you don't want it to autoplay, you can uncheck that, and that way the students have to hit the play button. This comes in handy when you add more than one audio file per page, and so you may add all of your lectures to one page and give them titles and all that, but it might be cleaner to break it up and have one per audio lecture. It's always nice to click on a page and then not have music or audio blasting at you, so maybe unchecking that autoplay is good. Then click OK and click Save, and then we'll test it from Internet Explorer. Come down here, click that, and so now it's not auto-playing. I have to click the play button for that to work. This is it. So if you have any questions, just give us a call or email us onlineservices@sanjuancollege.edu. Thanks.